Health and wellness centers, preventive care, and holistic healing, these aren't just trends. They're the future of healthcare. But why are millions of Americans now turning to wellness centers instead of traditional clinics? And how can they actually save your life before a doctor ever needs to step in? Let's break it all down, because what you don't know could cost you your health. What is a health and wellness center? A health and wellness center is a facility focused on preventive care, physical fitness, nutrition, mental well-being, and holistic health solutions. Unlike a hospital, they don't just treat illness, they help you avoid it in the first place. What do they offer? Fitness programs, personal training, yoga, group classes, nutritional counseling, mental health services, therapy, stress management, meditation, chronic disease, prevention, blood pressure, weight, diabetes, massage, acupuncture, and alternative therapies, corporate wellness programs, workshops and lifestyle coaching. They're often staffed with certified professionals, physical therapists, life coaches, and fitness experts, all under one roof. Why Americans are struggling? Let's face the facts. 1 in 3 U.S. adults is obese. 60% of Americans suffer from chronic health conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, or diabetes. Mental health. Over 40 million adults experience anxiety and depression every year, and over 50% of illnesses today are preventable yet. We wait for symptoms before we act. Why is this happening? Poor diets, sedentary lifestyles, work burnout, no routine check-ins unless there's already a problem. We spend thousands on sick care, but barely anything on well care. How health and wellness centers help. Here's how health and wellness centers flip the script. Preventive screenings, regular checks for blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure, and more before problems start. Personalized fitness plans, targeted workouts designed for your age, condition, and goals backed by expert nutrition counseling. Not just diets, but sustainable meal planning based on your body and needs. Mental wellness support, on-site counselors, guided meditation, and stress reduction programs to boost emotional health. Chronic condition management, diabetes, hypertension, obesities are addressed through lifestyle therapy, not just pills. Community and accountability, group classes and support systems that motivate and inspire lasting change. Technology integration. Many centers now offer app-based tracking, telehealth consultations, and wearable syncs for real-time progress. This is healthcare that empowers you, not just treats you. Special message for people over 40. If you're over 40, this part is for you. Aches and pains on just getting old. They're signs your body is asking for help. At 40 plus, your metabolism slows, muscle mass drops, and stress starts hitting harder. That's why wellness centers are especially critical after 40. They offer joint-friendly exercise programs, menopause and hormonal support, heart health monitoring, bone density checks, custom lifestyle plans to prevent age-related decline, and most importantly, community. Because isolation kills faster than cholesterol. This is the decade where you either invest in your health or start paying for its absence. Why wellness centers are the future? Why are these centers booming across the U.S.? They reduce healthcare costs by preventing disease. They lower stress with accessible mental health resources. They empower people to take ownership of their wellness. They bring everything under one roofiness: food, therapy, and healing. In a world where doctor visits are rushed and reactive, wellness centers offer a safe, proactive space for your body and mind. This isn't luxury, it's essential. So here's your challenge. Find a local health and wellness center near you. Book a consultation. Walk in. Ask questions. Start one finger class, a nutrition plan, a stress check. Because when you take care of yourself today, you're not just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years.